Hello! You can buy inari at the sushi shops, but it's very easy to make at the home. When you bite inari, you can taste its juicy, sweet soy broth. That's what you need. You can buy Aburaage and Konbu-dashi at the Asian shops, and sometimes at the Kohl's. First, prepping Aburaage. Rolling the Aburaage with a long chopstick or rolling pin to make the pocket easy to open. Cut in half and open the pouches. Boil the aburaage in water for 1 to 2 minutes to remove excess oil. This will make it easy for them to soak up the soy sauce broth. Remove from the boiling water and let them cool. Add 1.5 cup of water to a pot. Add 4 grams of Konbu-dashi and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Also 1 tablespoon of Mirin. Then 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Turn the heat to mid. Squeeze the aburaage to remove excess moisture. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the broth is nearly gone. Place them on a tray to cool. Making sushi vinegar. Add 200 ml of rice vinegar into a pot and add 40 grams of sugar, 20 grams of salt. Turn heat to mid and boil until the ingredients melt. Turn off the heat, let it cool. Prep for sushi rice. Boil water and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 40 grams of frozen peas. Strain the peas and let them cool. 500 to 600 grams of rice in a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of the rice vinegar you made earlier. Then add 2 teaspoons of white sesame and the peas, then mix well. Start packing the sushi rice into the pocket. Squeeze the inari to remove the broth and open the pouch. Pack the sushi rice into the inari's pocket. Hold and close them. Then place them on a tray. If you are short of time, you can buy inari which are already cooked with soy sauce broth at Asian shops. Then all you have to do is pack in the sushi rice. You can take inari for lunch or a picnic or to a friend's party. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click subscribe. See you next time.